There is one actor whose name was heard a lot more in Bengaluru. It had to be Sandalwood's rocking star Yash. The Kannada film industry came to be known across the nation and international borders for producing some of the finest films. Something that cannot be overlooked. Right now, the Kannada film industry is being spoken about nationally, and there is a new poster boy who hangs on the walls of movie buffs. Naveen Kumar Gowda, popularly known by the stage name Yash, is known for his good acting in Kannada movies or television shows. KGF star Yash has topped the list under the male category, and we aren't surprised why. With the success of KGF, he established himself as one of the most desired actors of India. His film broke new ground quite literally, which led Yash to be a name to be reckoned with. So it comes as no surprise that he received the maximum votes to be crowned the number one in the 30 most desirable men of 2020. While Yash personally might not want to partake in the polls, his swagger and style coupled with his hard work has made him one among the bankable stars in the industry. Yash started his acting career with the TV serial Nanda Gokula Malebilu Preeti Illada Mele, which aired on ETV Kannada. Yash made his feature film debut with Mogina Manasu. He played the male lead opposite his wife Radhika. The film was a success and earned him the Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actor. He went on to star in many commercially successful films, including Modalasala, Rajdhani, Kirataka, Drama, Googly, Raja Huli, Gajakesari, Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari, Masterpiece, and KGF. His rise to success has been well documented by the media, and he has been rated one of the popular Kannada film actors. Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari went on to become one of the highest grossing Kannada cinema, and which made him one of the highest paid actors in Sandalwood. Yash stamped his authority as one of the superstars of Kannada film industry with this film. Yash's intense eyes, drool-worthy looks, and powerful screen presence make him endearing to women of all ages. The actor has a huge fan following on social media. He starred in KGF Chapter 1, which was released in Kannada along with dubbed versions in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, and Malayalam, emerging as the highest grossing film in Kannada industry, collecting over 250 crores. After the magnanimous success of the film, Yash fandom started spreading massively. Brands like Nestron, Beardo, Vellon, Freedom Edible Oil, and Avon Steel have been signed by the superstar for endorsements. Yash's performances in various films earned him 3 Filmfare Awards and 3 Saima Awards, that includes IFA Awards and Zee Kannada Awards to his career. Yash, along with his actress wife Radhika Pandit, founded an organization and named it as Yasho Marga Foundation, which marks their contribution towards the betterment of the society. The foundation took up the water crisis issue in Koppal district of Karnataka by reportedly investing 4 crores towards the desalination of the lakes and providing pure drinking water to the drought-affected areas. KGF Chapter 2 unveiled the teaser of the film. The teaser is magnificent and received humongous response from not only fans but also celebrities. Hope Chapter 2 work wonders at box office wishing the rock star a massive success.